This is ASUS ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on this device. To start, you will need to open whatever search engine you prefer using. I'll go with Google, then input the Fortnite APK query. Amongst the search results, your search engine will provide you with, you're going to need to look for official epicgames.com or Fortnite.com websites. Then go for any of the aforementioned web pages. Confirm that you would like to download the file anyway. Then once it gets successfully downloaded, open it. Grant the install unknown apps permission to whatever web browser you've utilized for it. Then after the Epic Games Store app will get installed, open it. Onwards, go for the Fortnite game page. And tap at the install button over there. Alrighty, so once the Fortnite game gets installed but is yet to be downloaded, you will need to grant the install unknown apps permission to the Epic Games Store app as well. After that, finalize the Fortnite installation. Then launch the app. And now you gotta simply wait for the Fortnite to download all remaining updates and resources, which are about, if I'm not mistaken, is going to be about 6 gigabytes of those. Yep, around that. And after those downloads will be finished, you will be finally able to start playing the game. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.